This is why you need this gym flooring.
From the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up. Break you in, then break you out. In the end, we gon' make a child. Then we gon' hit the shower. Part 2, we don't need.
A number of reasons why you should use our tiles, which we're going to show you in this video, but the first one is to stop the dust. So to start with, we'd recommend giving the floor a good sweep. We're going to get rid of anything loose before we start laying the tiles down.
Copy my steel. Face the fact that ain't no cap, I'm real. Ain't no cap, I'm real.
All swept out. So now we're just going to start laying out all the full tiles, and then we'll get to the cuts later on.
We're going to be using our 20mm high impact rubber gym flooring. This is what we recommend in heavy weights areas. So in the garage here, there's going to be lots of weights being dropped, lots of heavy equipment, and this will take the impact of those weights, and it's going to be the best solution for this garage.
Got my heart, no.
So all of our tiles are available supply only or fully fitted by our team. The rubber tiles are a little bit trickier to fit and a lot heavier to carry, so lots of people have our team fit it, but we're going to show you the whole process. So each one of our rubber tiles weighs 20 kilos. They've been specifically designed to take heavy impact, and they're perfect for weights and gym equipment.
Rapping stain, he doing son, I'm not a fan. I told my dad today, he said it's all pretend. I got back in my bed, now I got no friends.
Our new high impact tile has this egg tray design on the back, so this helps with sound deadening as well as taking the impact when dropping heavy weights. So we're now halfway through the installation. You can already see the difference this is making to the look of the room. So instead of feeling like a cold garage now, this is feeling like an actual room.
Right, so we've got most of it in now. Most of the sides are cut in also. We're just moving what we moved to the back, so then we could tidy the garage, and then we've just got to cut the back in, give it a tidy up, nice quick mop over, because that's all they need. Jobs are good. Right, so for our clients, to make it nice and easy for them, we also sell a mop and a cleaning fluid. So you can literally just clean it, mop it straight with one of our spray mops. The good thing about our rubber tiles is that it can take heavy impacts. And this is why you need our tiles.
High impact,
Anti-fatigue,
anti-slip,
takes the cold off the floor, very insulated,
chemically resistant,
smart looking,
and you get our 10-year warranty included.
Plastic bars from a copy my steel.
So this is why you need our gym flooring. It's all nice now laid, looks great, I'm sure you'll agree. There's no smells like you would have with traditional gym flooring, and it can now be mopped clean like you would an interior floor. So that's the job done, and we'll see you on the next one.